Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. How y'all been doing? I'm alive. I'm gonna put it that way. Life is life. That's why it's been so long. Today's video, I'll be doing an actual instructional on how to install or install your fuel pump in your G35. And this should go for a coupe or sedan. Same place, same position, same pump. So I'm gonna try and go in depth as possible. Try to keep it short, keep it interesting. But I'm driving it right now, and you're gonna see what I'm dealing with. I have no fuel gauge. The speedometer doesn't work. My ABS light came on this morning. I don't know why. Traction control will not turn off. Don't know why. And I'm running extremely, well, not too bad. I'm running lean. Still got to get a tune. So that stuff I've been dealing with. But let me get to some equipment. Pop this tank open. Put a new tank in. Show y'all how it's done. My way. One way to do it. And possibly figure out why my speedometer's not working. Alright, now to do what I actually came here to do, which is install this new fuel pump. It is noon. I had a couple jobs to take care of, but more so spent 3 hours scanning the G and can't figure out why the speedometer is not working. PDU is working, ECU is communicating. Had some issues with that, but it stopped. I guess it's time for a new cluster, but let's get on to this fuel pump endeavor and actually teach somebody something today. So this is Optimum Performance fuel pump for the G35, purchased off of eBay for the low. Put a link in there if anybody's needing to change this out and wants to go the cheap route. Arrives in about 4 to 5 days. So. Alright, first step, removing lower seat. I'm gonna pop this up. Because of the awkward position the camera's in, I'm just gonna record the whole thing, take out what I need to, speed up where I need to, and give you guys a general idea. I just disconnected my battery. You really don't have to. So there's 4 tabs. Pop them out. Okay. And the plug. Plug onto the fuel tank. There we go. I don't know what these are called, but I use them for plugs when I'm working. Push the clip. That's it right here. Squeeze this in. This should come right off. There we go. Now there's 2, 4, only 5 screws in mine. Should be 6, which means somebody done it before. New fuel pump, and I'm just realizing no new O-ring came, so I gotta run to the parts store real quick. Now we see why. It was cheaper. Make sure your tank's somewhat empty, because what just happened will happen. It's gonna pop right up. O-ring still looks to be good, hasn't moved, so that might be a good thing. Hose that goes on this end.
whenever you're doing a fuel pump replacement, you should always put a new O-ring in. That one gets fuel on it, hits the atmosphere, and tends to swell up sometimes. Also, on your new pump, comes with cover. Make sure you guys can see over the hose connection area. You need to remove this clip from your old pump. Put it on this one. That's what holds the hose intact in place. Right. So I said you should connect this hose before putting the pump in. And look at here. Make sure you take the old O-ring out of the hose. That needs to come out. Install the new O-ring. Let's try this again. Oh, look at that. Popped right on. Yep. Now, fun part. Lock that up. It's on there. It's all dried up except, well, yeah, that's dry. It is dry. Put the battery cable back home. Hopefully the gauge works. Gauge doesn't work, which means it was never the pump. The hell was it? Now I have to go look for a new cluster.